Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm doing for my shake today because I need some protein and my cap fell out and actually swallowed it. So I'm going to make dinner liquid. So we have these frozen avocados. Just peel them and a grate to make your smoothie protein shake a little bit thicker. So I add some healthy fats with my protein in this blender. And I have ice and water in there. Then I like Kion unsweetened protein powder. That's whey, if you can do whey. If you can't do whey, you can try the bone broth protein, and there's beef protein that Equip makes, bone broth protein, Paleo Valley makes, Kion makes a good whey, grass fed. So that's this one. Now, I also am having dinner, so this is by Keto. It has 20 grams of fat, 1 gram net carb, and then 12 grams of protein. So that's why I put the protein, because I'm trying to get 20 to 40 grams of protein in or more. So I'm going to do this. It has a little flavor, salted caramel, so it's pretty yummy. So good combination with the unflavored whey protein, because we get too many flavors and I'm not a big fan of sweeteners and I don't like stevia. So 1 scoop of that. Smells good. Salted caramel. Now I've got some glutamine, good for your gut health. I exercised today, easy run walks. I'm fighting this cold still, but it's always good to have a little L-glutamine. I get my supplements on the full script account that you can get from me if you're interested. Another good one for the gut health is colostrum, and it also makes your drink a little creamier. So I get mine from Kion. If you can't do dairy, as a lot of my clients can't do dairy when we do their lab testing, so they can't do colostrum, but there is goat colostrum you can buy from Mount Capra that's out of actually Washington. So in a saddle, you might have heard of this. We've been talking about this supplement a lot. It's another thing to do. I also have glycine. I'm trying to do this evening time. Stop eating 3 hours before bed, but glycine to help my deep sleep. So I've been taking capsules and I'm out of them. So I'm trying to get 5 grams of glycine, so that's not that much, but put a little bit in there. Balancing my hormones. Maca. Maca is great for helping our hormones. So add a little bit of that. It's kind of nutty flavor, so it's add a little flavor to your drink. There's a little bit of sweet. And then I'll blend that up. Now, if you want flavor, you can put some frozen berries in there. They won't kill you. And another option is I like sunflower butter, unsweetened, no sugar, and I might add some of that to this with the salted caramel. So try it out, whip it up in your blender. That's good, strong motor, so it can chop up that frozen avocado and ice. Let me know when you like it in your protein drink.